But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Hi everybody, today I want to show you the Homeika pet grooming kit. It comes in this big box right here, but it has a ton of features. Now, let me get comfortable because this is a good one. This is the vacuum itself, and it is really easy to, if you are done vacuuming and you have all the hair in there, you just take it out and you just dump it on your garbage. Then it has two of these, which are filters. They're HEPA filters, so they're good for allergies or anything like that. It has a very long cord, and I'm going to turn it on so you can hear. It's not very loud at all, so it's not going to scare your pets. Again, you can have this one a little bit separate away from the pets so that it doesn't scare them, but it's not really loud. Very powerful. You have separate speeds, 3 different speeds. I like the color, I like the versatility. Now it comes with a ton of things. Comes with this bag and obviously the manual, but the bag, I'm just gonna open it up. I already put them in there. They all come in separate pieces, but you just put them together. So let's start with some of these pretty cool ones. This one is so that you can brush your pet. You can set it up like that, and it has the bristles right here, and when you've been done, you can just pop it up and the hair is out. I'll be showing a video later on how I do anything like that. Now it comes with a cordless trimmer that you hook to the vacuum, and then as you are trimming, there's a spot right here for the vacuum, and then everything that you trim is being sucked into the vacuum. Now obviously it comes with a charger so that you can charge this. Also with this one, you hook it over here, so again when you're done, as you're brushing, it's vacuuming the hair. For the furniture, small crevices, and also for the clothes or furniture too. And it has this one for the cat. Now this one is, again, if you lock it like that, it's just a brush, and you can use it for the cat. And then when you're done, it pulls it out, all the hair comes out, and it gets vacuumed through here. Now, for the clippers, it comes with a bag of, 5 different size clips. Again, I don't cut my dog's hair, but if you do, this is what they are. Has the extra filter, as I mentioned. And it has for the nails and for the paws, for the hairs in between the paws. So very easy. This is the trimmer. You turn it and it comes off, and then there you go. Turn it on. I don't know if you can hear. I'm going to put it closer. Again, can't hear that much. And again, you just turn it, and then you have this one. That easy. Then you can turn it, and this is for the paws, for if you want to trim the hairs and the paws or in between their toes. And then you put it back onto the trimmer itself, and again, this is where you charge it. But the great thing, again, you plug it in here, you vacuum as you are trimming, so no hairs, no nail pieces, no dust or anything like that. I really like it. I like that it's not very loud, so it's not gonna scare the dog, but also the hose itself, look at that, it's really long. So again, even if they're a little scared of the noise from the vacuum, you can keep it far enough where they, you know, again, they're not gonna be running away. It is pullable and it's small, not very heavy. And here I'm gonna put some video of grooming my pet so you can see. So now you see how awesome it is. You can use it with cats, with dogs, or any size, and it works really good. I hope you guys find it as convenient and as useful as I am.